reminder lang that upcoming December 20, 21, 22, and 23, we still have the remaining Metro Manila Film Festival premiere nights. At bukas na, magaganap ang Parade of Stars. Abangan niyo po yan. Magsisimula sa Macapagal Boulevard and will end in Ayala Circuit, Makati. So please support Shake, Rattle, and Roll's float for tomorrow's parade. December 25 is the day. You may watch it now, but invite your friends, your family, everybody to watch Shake, Rattle, and Roll and the other films of the Metro Manila Film Festival on December 25. December 27 naman is the day kasi gabi ng parangal. This will be held at Dusit Rani, Manila for the special awards night of this year's MMFF.
wide. Photoshoot muna, i-0.5 nyo na yan ng bonggang-bongga para magkasya sa frame, di ba, Michael?
Yes, give it your best smile, guys, and capture this moment, the grand premiere night of Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Smile!
Ano pakiramdam, Francet?
Nakakakaba pa rin
This is your first film test entry. Pangalawa na.
Shake, Rattle,
and Roll!
Yung una, ano?
My future.
Oo nga, nanonood ako na. Maganda yan, oo nga. O ito, siyempre, lagi kayo magpapaskong nagtatrabaho. Diba? So, anong pakiramdam na 8 na lang ang entries, hindi na 10?
Ay, kailan ba nung last year?
10.
Kung ganun po, sobrang more than blessed po kami dahil kung limited yung... Yes, isa kami sa mga chosen one.
Oo, ayan. Oy, good.